That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, my name is Denise. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. And I am sitting in my kitchen because this video is going to be about me trying to declutter all of my cabinets. Well, maybe not all of them, because I don't think all of them need to be decluttered, but hopefully if my energy permits, I can at least get everything wiped out. I am trying to shuffle everything around to make room for all of the baby's stuff, all the things that come with when you have a newborn, all the gadgets and all the things. I need room. Lucas just learned how to make Alexa work for him, so he's trying to get Alexa to play Blippi songs. But anyway, let's get back to my cabinets. So I'm gonna be trying to declutter and make room for other things. So I'm gonna take y'all into the pantry to show you what it is that I want to make room for in the cabinets as well. Okay, so coming into the pantry, there's some things that we bought. These glasses a long time ago from from Ollie's, yeah. And then I bought Sugarfoot these pots for Christmas, and he hasn't opened them yet, so I need to find room in the cabinets for our new glassware and this set of pots, and hopefully find something to put this dog food in and put the water away, just tidy up a bit. But anyway, Stanky Pinky, you want to say hey good people?
Hey good people.
Good job. Back it up. Beep beep. Back up. Okay, so this is where I keep all of our spices and everything right now. So I'm gonna try to get all of that out and put it in this cabinet up here. I'm gonna clean all that out, make room. This is where I keep my pots that Luke bought for me Christmas of 2018. They're Pioneer Woman. I love those pots. Maybe I can make more room down here for some additional pots. This cabinet right here, I don't think that I'm gonna be changing much because I do like my dishware being in this cabinet. That doesn't bother me at all. This is actually Luke's little cabinet, or just all kid related stuff. Maybe I can get rid of some of that stuff up there and make more use of that shelf. I don't think that I'm gonna tackle underneath my kitchen sink. This might have to be a separate video because I just don't think I'm gonna have the energy today. And I need to declutter this cabinet right here. This is where I've been keeping like plastic ware and stuff like that. Lucas, she doesn't respond to you anymore. And this cabinet right here is also pretty bad off. This is where I want to put some glassware, declutter this shelf, I don't know, get rid of some of that. I don't know, y'all. I'm just kind of overwhelmed by it all because it needs to be done. And hopefully by me filming this, it'll give some other pregnant mamas out there some motivation to also get this nesting done. You gotta organize. But I do have some containers that I ordered from Target online, of course. I did not go in the store, but these were like $2 a piece, and I think I got a total of 6. Yeah, I think I got 6 of these, so hopefully I can make use of those. But anyway, okay, so I think I did enough explaining of everything that I want to get accomplished. Let's get started. But the first thing I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and get the glassware washed so that it can be put away properly when it's done drying, and then I'm gonna start decluttering everything. So if you're interested in seeing what everything looks like after I'm done, please keep on watching and give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and let's get into it.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right.
Okay, so I got all of the glasses washed. I have a total of 10 16 point something ounces and 10 point something ounces. I think these are 10 ounces and these are 16 ounces, but yeah, so I'm going to move on to cleaning out all of this, and I'm just gonna put it up here on the countertop and wipe everything out. And this is where, excuse me boo boo, this is where I'm gonna keep all of baby girl stuff for all the things that she's gonna need.
Want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling.
Shh. The only thing that I have right now for a baby girl is this dish soap for her bottles, but I do have several packages that I need to open up that have plenty of stuff that's going down here, but you guys get the idea of what that is going to be for.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember.
Okay, and this is the cabinet all put back together again. The top little basket is just miscellaneous seasonings that we occasionally use. We don't have to have it right here. This basket is things that we use almost every day or very regularly, and these are just some other miscellaneous spices that Sugarfoot likes to use. Hot wing sauces, additional sauces. I'll play it for you, boo boo. And these are like hot sauces and other things. Alexa, show us Blippi. Okay, I'll get her to play Blippi. Just give me 1 second, okay? So now I'm gonna move on to this side of the kitchen and let's see how that goes. But first I'm gonna dry these glasses so that I can have them ready to be put back in that cabinet.
What you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity. I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep. I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you would say.
Alrighty, so as far as this cabinet goes, a lot of it is self-explanatory. We have our Planet Hollywood memorabilia up there because that's where Luke and I both worked. That's where we met. I still owe you guys how we met video. I didn't forget. We just are so slow. And I have our stemless wine glasses here, some to-go mugs or whatnot, coffee cups that I'm going to keep in the glassware that I just washed. I am going to donate some things that's in here. I might add some more to this box to take to Goodwill. And moving on to this side, this is our miscellaneous basket. Medicines that we use. Is this something? This is my everyday basket. Things that we will probably use every day. I got vitamins and things such as that in there. Medicine, more medicine, and just stuff that I didn't want to get rid of. Luke was trying to make a chess set. He's still not finished with that. He's got some more preparations for those pieces to go, but it looks really organized, everything in its place. I feel good about it.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take.
Okay, so for this cabinet, I just kept my large pot. I kept my double boiler pot and some storage containers. Everything.
It's a strawberry.
It is a strawberry. You're so smart. But anyway, so I do have some other containers down here in my colander. You can see that right there. But yeah, everything you can see, everything visually. So I shouldn't be digging for anything anymore. But I'm pleased with how this one turned out as well.
Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just
So
argue.
my goal is to get all of these beautiful pots down in this cabinet. And hopefully I can remove some of this and put it in this storage under the oven. I think there's some pots down there that maybe I can donate. I'll have to look into that. But anyway, let's get started.
know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it.
Thank you. So underneath the stove I have my Pioneer Woman set, and I have some other pots that or pans that I liked and I want to keep. I like this really flat pan here. And Luke loves cooking eggs in that one, so I kept those for him. And as far as the cabinet goes, he has his set all laid out for him, and I have our baking little pans and things that we use, as well as our iron skillets. I don't think you can see them in there, but I have 2 inside that pan there. But yeah, his little set is like so sexy. If pots could be sexy, this is the sexiest thing I've seen as far as pots are concerned. But anyway, also, if you're wondering what I'm gonna do with this large jar, I think I'm gonna put Lincoln's dog food in it. So that's gonna be the last thing that I do today, because I'm so tired. Like, I'm really tired. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the dog food in there, and then I'm gonna end this video for you guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay guys, if you enjoyed decluttering my cabinets with me and getting ready for baby girl, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more nesting videos, because I have so much more to do. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love for you to join the little family over here, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.